What is up, realist? My cricket box is empty. Today we went to the deep spot on the creek here to see if we can find anything with live crickets, and just kind of fished our way back. Caught some awesome stuff. Kind of got hung up at a little pool where there was a bunch of bass, and we tried everything we could to catch those. But hold on tight. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go see if we caught any fish on some live crickets. We worked our way back here with our live crickets. Couldn't get any of them. And my first cast is going to be a no bobber. Trying to get out of here. I'll stay back a little bit. Right over here, all in that mess. See what's over there. Whew. Saw fish already, so I know there's something there. Did I get something? Yep, got something. What we get? First cast, first bite. Got a little shiner. And we still got our cricket for a little bit anyways. Sweet. Little shiner. Well, goodness. There you go. Little bitty shiner guy. Probably the water's way over yonder. What else we can get. This spot is way more in the sun than I was expecting. This might not be able to be here as long as I was hoping. There we go. What do we get? We'll get out of there. Another shiner? Bigger one this time? Yep, yep. Alrighty. A bigger shiner that time. Very cool. These are so shiny and so slimy. Alright, they took my last little bit of cricket off of that time, so switching it up. Two casts, two catches on two casts on one cricket. So pretty good so far. Hope we can get enough. We see one more to make our three, so I think we're pretty solid for that. Well, we had our first two lucky casts, I guess. Now we're in hunt mode. Right. The algae is definitely going to be a problem, so we're going to put a bobber on and keep going. There we go. What we get? Cautionary fish here. What we get? Big old shiner. Nice big old shiner again. They look like they're kind of pulled up here. I think it's bigger than the last one. Slimy boys. And we've got three over here. We're going to go way over yonder. There we go. Something off the first cast. I love crickets. What do we get? A little bitty green sunfish. Not green sunfish, goodness. Little bitty. You keep that. You worked hard for it. A little bit long ear there. Like I said, a little bit bigger than my finger. All right. Ooh, that's right in it. There we go. Kind of give a little wiggle for it to snap on. What do we get? There we go. Getting a little better there too. Little bluegill. I'll leave that cricket on there. Little bitty bluegill guy. Sweet. There we go. There's our one more for this spot. Oh, I gotta get out of the sun. We got another nice little long ear. Little bitty guys. I expected to find some bigger ones right here, but where are you? Well, show you off like that then. All right. So in this pool right here in front of me, there's a little school of probably about 5 or 6 bass, and I really want to catch one. So that's how oh, he had it in his mouth. That would have been awesome. Oh, that would have been a highlight for days. Oh, that would have been sweet. I was gonna say, and this is how you catch him, because he came up and sucked it in right away. Cricket. There we go. What do we get? Oh, a nice little green sunfish here. Thought these guys were bluegill, but obviously they're green sunfish. There we go. What do we get? Another one here on the cricket. Just a creek chub. Not a creek chub, a shiner. And a bunch of these guys. Let's get another cricket on here. Alright. We need to get moving. I could stay here and try to catch these bass for a good bit, but I've done spooked them off now, looks like. I don't know if you guys saw all that. That was pretty awesome. I think this is green sunfish. Oh, right in the top of the lip. That might have been a warmouth, but nope, the green sunfish. Very pretty though. Awesome. Got him. What in the world? I just had my cricket in the water just a barely bit, and look what we caught. What a way to end this little section of it off. That is actually going to be my PB smallest fish ever, I think. Goodness, yep, less than my finger. Look at that guy. See you, buddy. All right, realists, we got to wind it up. I said we just finished up, like I said before. Caught a bunch of little bitty stuff, all kind of stuff on the live crickets. Didn't really have a ton of luck on other stuff, but we tried really hard on that little pool. There was probably about 7 or 8 that I could see, and maybe more that I couldn't in that little pool. I was just trying everything, Kitex, Rapalas. The only thing they hit was that Kitech right at the beginning. That would have been so sweet, but they didn't hang on. So, but we got to get going, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping in and watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see other videos coming out, and give me some suggestions in the comments below of stuff you would love to see. Have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hope it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.